everybody, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Unblushed. I am Supriya and today I'm here with a product review. I'm going to review the product Roopmantra Facial Kit. But before starting, I just wanted to have a little word with you. Personal request that please keep yourself as safe as possible. Do not go out, do not come in contact with a lot of people, because at the end of the day अपनी safety हमारे अपने हाथों पे है. And किसी को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता कि हमारे आसपास या our family members or friends are getting affected. And if you would know that दिल्ली में situation बहुत ख़राब है, hospitals में beds नहीं हैं, जो प्रॉपर मेडिसिन हैं जो कोविड ट्रीटमेंट के लिए चाहिए वो अवेलेबल भी नहीं हो रही इतने आराम से. सो प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्स. ट्राई एंड स्टे इंडोर्स अंटिल अनलेस कुछ बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी काम है वो आप अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते. प्लीज़ डू नॉट गो आउट. So having said that, let's get into the video. So the product review would be Roopmantra Charcoal Facial Kit. This is a small little kit and it says that it is a complete skincare with activated charcoal. So it says that it has a lot of benefits, such as it removes pollutants, toxins and skin impurities. Then it tightens skin and prevents early aging signs. It lightens dark spots, pimple marks and blemishes, and it promotes an even skin tone. And at the end of the day, it's going to give you soft, glowing and healthy skin. So this has 4 steps. It has a cleansing milk, then charcoal scrub, then massage gel, then charcoal pack, and then at the end of the day, charcoal nourishing cream. अब जो चारकोल है, चारकोल एक ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट है जो आपकी बॉडी से सारा डर्ट, बॉडी से क्या, हाँ चारकोल वैसे बॉडी स्क्रब्स भी आते हैं, बट आपकी स्किन से सारा जितना भी ये डर्ट ग्रिम होता है. डिड यू हियर दैट? बाहर आंधी आ रही है, तूफान आ रहा है, बट स्टिल आई रियली वांटेड टू रिकॉर्ड दिस वीडियो. बाहर मौसम बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, बट स्टिल रिमेंबर नॉट टू गो आउट एंड अपने घर से इंजॉय कर लो यार, बाहर मत जाओ. ओके, सो जो चारकोल होता है, चारकोल इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर स्किन एज इट इज़ नोन टू हैव मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज़. जो आपकी स्किन से सारा जो डर्ट है, जो भी पोल्यूशन है, जो भी ग्रिम होता है, सब जो है खींच के बाहर निकाल देता है. एंड इट गिव्स योर स्किन अ वेरी नाइस क्लीन इफेक्ट, right? So also I would suggest that due to pandemic obviously सारे ये salons और parlors और ये सब beauty services जो हैं थोड़ा सा avoid करो. बाहर जाके जितना आप घर पे कर सकते हो कर लो. तो घर में थोड़े स्किन केयर कर लो, या ऐसी facial kits ले लो, या छोटा ऐसा स्किन केयर आप घर में यूज़ करो, so that you are not it's not important for you to go out and get these skincare services, because obviously it is not safe. I'll link one of my previous videos जिसमें I'm talking about a really miracle face mask and it actually works. I mean, home remedies are always better than using chemicals. But yes, market में इतनी सारी चीज़ें available हैं, try करने में क्या जाता है. So I'm not going to waste a lot of time and I'm going to directly get into the video. I'm going to go wash my face and how this facial kit actually works on my skin.
Step 1 is cleansing milk. I'm going to take a sufficient amount and apply it all over my face for about 3 to 4 minutes with a very light hand in circular motions. After that, I'm going to take a clean cloth and wipe everything off. The consistency of this product was pretty smooth and not at all runny. Now step 2 is the face scrub. This scrub is not at all chunky and harsh on the skin. I'm taking a little quantity and scrubbing my face really well for a couple of minutes. You can add a little water if you want. Now scrubbing is a very good step for your skincare as it helps remove all the dead skin layer. Now I'm going to take a fresh cloth and wipe all this off. Now I'm going to use the blackhead extractor and remove all the unwanted fringe. After which I'm taking my plum toner and repairing all the damage I just did to my skin with those blackhead extractions. Step 3 is the charcoal massage gel and it seems to be very light in its texture. I'm taking a decent amount and applying it all over my face and neck, and I'm going to massage it for a good couple of minutes. But to my surprise, it was so light that it got absorbed in my skin in absolutely no time. Massaging in different strokes with a light hand helps in blood circulation of the facial muscles, which results in glowing, firm skin. The 4th step is the charcoal face pack. अब ये फेस पैक मुझे थोड़ा सा केकी लग रहा है, सो आई एम एडिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ रोज वाटर इन इट एंड मेकिंग अ नाइस थिक पेस्ट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू evenly apply it all over my face and neck. Now this charcoal face pack will pull all the remaining dirt from my skin pores and help me close my skin pores as a final step. This is a very good step and a very essential step, especially when you're doing a facial, because इसके बिना आपके pores खुले रह जाएंगे and जितनी भी आपने मेहनत करी है cleansing, scrubbing, massage, उसका कोई इतना effect नहीं रहेगा. Now it's been 10 to 12 minutes since I've applied this face mask and as you can see अब ये completely dry हो गया है. Now I'm going to take my clean and damp Miniso का makeup remover cloth and I'm going to wipe all this off from my skin. Now step 5 is a nourishing cream. This cream is way too thick for me as I am an oily skin type and मुझे इतना ज़्यादा thick अपने face पे कुछ ज़्यादा लगाना अच्छा नहीं लगता. So I'm not going overboard with this one and just giving it a light massage. So I just took a shower and I applied absolutely nothing on my face. No face wash, no hair face mask or anything, and I have absolutely no makeup. And that's how my skin looks after the Roopmantra charcoal face.